Also inform the Rajaka cities intentions to the Buddha. Finally, the Buddha allowed the donor to offer the monastery or kutis to the Bhikkhu Sangha. That is why now you have opportunity to offer the kuti or monastery. So most of the here, the Upasaka, Upasika from different country, they are the donor of the monastery. I believe most of them offer many kuti here, is it? Many kuti, even they also contributed to build the monastery or kuti in this monastery or in the Buddha dispensation. That is why now you became a donor or the monastery, although it is very difficult. Okay? Then when you offer the monasteries to the Bhikkhu Sangha, then the monastery can protect Bhikkhu Sangha who are living in those kuti or monastery from cold weather and also hot weather, or from various dangers. That is why they can study the Buddha's teaching. They can also practice the Buddha's teaching without any difficulties. That is why you are very lucky to offer the monastery to Bhikkhu Sangha.